Okay, now we start to install the control software and the RIP software for the Focus 42F DTF printer. Once you got the printer from Focus, you will also got the USB flash that go with the machine delivery. So you will got a USB flash with the folder named the Focus Nebula 42F 2-head F1080 print head support file. Inside have control software, RIP software, installation video, user manual, test printer file, and troubleshooting folder. So first we're gonna to install the control software. We open the control software folder. Here have two folder. First is the control software, and also another one named the factory setting firmware backup. So the factory setting firmware backup is used for once your machine get a problem for the firmware. So normally we not need to load again, because the printer already written the factory firmware already before we deliver. So this is just for backup. And then the first control software. Here have the control software installation folder and also the runtime control software. So first we're gonna to install the runtime. And also before we install the software, we must close all the antivirus software from your computer. Let me click next. Because different computer have different setting, have different the language environment. So we must install this first. This is the Visual C+ for the Windows. So after we finish the runtime Visual for Windows, we click finish. Then we got to install the control software. We double click the file. We start to install. We can choose English. And next. Then finish. So after we finish the installation, we will have the icon at the desktop printer named the Focus Print. So this is the control software. When we double click to open it, right now because we do not power on the machine, so here is offline. Is red icon named disconnection. So that means the software, the computer is disconnection with the printer. That means the Ethernet cable is not insert to your computer. So this show disconnection. So this is the interface for the control software. Okay, after we already power on the machine succeed, and I also checked the powder processing machine is working well, then we can start to online the machine, connect the printer with the computer by the Ethernet cable. So we find the Ethernet cable from the printer and we connect to the Ethernet port. To connect where. And also after we install the software, we just find the icon named the Focus Printer on the desktop. Then the printer will start to do the self-testing. And if the printer show online here, this icon becomes green. That means the printer is online, succeed with the computer. And also we go here, the error message. They don't have any error message. It show correct. It show ready. That means the print is online ready. So this is the procedure to connect computer with the printer. And then when we open the control software, here is the interface for the printer and for the control system. So here is the control software for the Focus 42F DTF printer. When we open it, first we can see the icon. When the icon becomes green, that means it's connected, it's online ready. The computer connect with the printer ready. And here is for spray. When we open the flashing function, the printer starts to flashing a little bit ink out to prevent the print head get clogged. And here is for the show the temperature for the print head. And here X pause, this means the carriage position. 0 means at home position. And here is show device ready, means print is ready. And here is the error message. When print get any problem, it will show the message from here, the history. And then when we go to the top, here's the logo and here's the file. We can choose the file to print. We can choose the file after we rip from here, or we put on the desk and we just go to here and we find out the file after we rip, like this, to find the file we want to print. So here is the method to load the file for print. And when we click the file here, we can see the name, resolution, the size, some information. And when we right click the mouse, we can go to, here is the print from here. This is the file, we find the file print. And here's the print function. Here have the print job list and job history list. This is the list that we cancel the job or we finish the job, the history from here. And here is the job ready for print. If we want to set some information, we just right click the mouse and we can go task setting. So here we can set the copies, how many copies we print, how many setting, the margin, everything, position. For example, we want X copy for 4 pieces, Y for 2 pieces, and we can set it. And also here we can set the cut ink. We can reduce the ink amount for each. But normally KCMY, we not need to adjust the ink amount. If we adjust the ink amount here, the print out quality and the color will be not original. And here we can do the check how many ink we consume for this picture to know what's the cost for printing 1 square meter or one job. And then we go to the setting. Setting here we have some different settings. The head select is used for choose how many heads you print. Right now with this machine we choose 2 heads, one for white, one for color, so just only one option. And here is the print speed. We can choose middle speed, low speed, and high speed. The high speed the print more fast, but the quality will be worse than middle speed. So normally we choose middle speed. Print selection. If you finish the bad selection calibration, you can choose bad selection print. If you not did a good alignment for the bad selection, you can choose print to right or to left. Print flash, we can choose on or off. If you print head get a little bit clog, you can choose on, or just choose off. Auto cleaning, we can choose clean flashing or keep weight as you want. And UV light, because this machine is for DTF print, so no need the UV light. We just keep at default. The margin setting is for the margin, the start print position from 0 to the film, the edge of the table to the film edge, the distance, the gap. And the color bar setting we can choose waiting and at left or right. If we print the DTF, it's better for open the color bar print. The concentration we just keep at default. The size for the color bar, you can set the color bar size for print. And here's for the encroaching setting. The encroaching can improve the printing quality. The more high encroaching you setting, the more slower speed. So for better quality, we can choose deep and tab, which is for tab. And load ink is for the first time you load ink, but not this. By this way, we will cost a lot of ink to pump out. So normally we can go to the cleaning for load the ink the first time. Here's some advanced function. The channel we can choose all in color or print white ink. So if we want to print CMYK plus white, we choose normal. If we just want to print color, just choose all in color. If you want just print only white, you choose only white ink. A mineral print, you can choose mineral or not mineral. And here we just keep as default, or keep as default. So here is the setting function from here. Then we go to the adjust. Adjust if we do some alignments. Later must be will teach you how to do some alignments for the printer. Normally we just choose. We just do some settings, some alignment for head, for step, for spacing, for color offset, and all by direction, that we can get good result. So here is for calibration for the machine. And the voltage we keep as default. The advanced is for some other function. Normally we don't need to go to this to do some setting. All the settings are default and stored to the mainboard. We don't need to change anything. And here's some version information. We just keep it as default. And here we can do some. Here we can go to set the language, English or Chinese, as you want. And then we here some settings for here print. We just go to choose the file. We can click. We can start print from here, or we can choose print from here. And here is for the pause or cancel, is for cancel the job doing printing. When the job is not printing, these two icons cannot be changed. And the check is for do the nozzle check to show the nozzle status. Cleaning is for clean the print head. And flushing is for flushing, make the print head flush a little bit of ink out to anti-clog. The margin is for set the size of the film. The left move the carriage to left, move carriage to right, move the film and ahead is for move the film to forward. Backward is move the film to backward. And the X reset is to make the carriage back to home position. So when the carriage stay at middle, we click the X reset, then the print head will back to home position for keep weight or for flushing. So here is the interface for all the software. Later must be will teach you how to make it working one by one. So now later we will start to load the print ink from the damper to the print head. Thank you.